Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a closet clean out. I'm standing right in front of my closet door. I'm about to open it and show you guys what it looks like because it's a freaking hot mess. If you don't know, I recently moved. Actually, it's been like 2 months now since I moved into my new apartment, but I have not had time to just sit here and like clean out anything. I still have boxes of things. I literally still have a box here of clothing. I have boxes in my living room. Like I have not had time to get my ish together. Today's the day. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a before, a little bit embarrassing, very messy. So this is what the before looks like. Okay, update. I did get an IKEA dresser. This is the same dresser that I had in my old apartment, which I did a closet clean out video last year. I'll also link that one if you're interested. But yeah, I do have like a really good, decent size closet. And these drawers are actually still empty because I didn't want to put anything in them until I went through all my clothes. I also really want to, hold on, I'm trying to turn this around. I also haven't like really organized anything or put anything in these drawers because I have to go through all my clothes and see what I want to give away. I don't want to put and organize things that I don't want. So I have a question for you guys because I really want to sell some of my clothing pieces. I have things that I've only worn once, things that I've never worn, shoes, like nice clothing. But I feel like the process of selling clothes is so annoying and it's so long. I've tried doing Poshmark before and I feel like people would just like the pictures like it was Instagram, and I'm like, girl, do you want to buy this or no? So I don't want to waste my time trying to set up a whole Poshmark and everything like that if it's just gonna be a waste of time. So throughout this video I want to show you guys some pieces, and maybe if you guys are interested and if enough are interested, I'll maybe make another Poshmark again. Or if you guys have another idea of where I can sell my clothing, let me know because I really have a lot of things to get rid of. So, and I already have this whole box right here that I was just gonna give away, but I have things like these brand new shoes I wore literally one time. They're from Shein, nothing's wrong with them, but I just honestly suck at walking in heels like this. But yeah, these are brand new. I also have these brand new, wore one time. Like, it's good stuff. Oh wait, I'm not even showing you guys, hold on. There we go. So yeah, these little, what are these called, like mules? And I just have like cute stuff in here that I've either never worn. This is hard to show you guys because it has like a lot of strings and stuff, but it's super cute. I have a lot of jeans to give away, dresses. This bodysuit I've never ever worn. This will actually be perfect for the fall time coming up. Has a tag on it from Fashion Nova. Absolutely has never been worn. So yeah, I have a lot of things. I'll show you guys in better views and like in more detail, I guess. But yeah, definitely let me know. So yeah, I just have a lot of things that I want to get rid of and I would love to make money off of them. Obviously I would sell these things for like $5 to $10, not even, but yeah, just let me know. Let's get started. Like literally I have things in bags still. I was gonna return this, but I kind of like it, but I also don't know if I actually wear it. So yeah, brand new things that I'm still like debating if I'm gonna give away or not. I don't even know where to start. I feel like there's so much stuff to do in here. I'm gonna start with the things that I have on the floor. So actually I'm going to adjust you guys because I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Isn't this cute? It says, I want to feel the sun and the ground to see. How poetic. Look at these shoes though. I do want to put these up for sale or like give them away because even though these are super cute, I got them from Zara. These are like really trendy shoes. They look huge on camera, but these are size 36, which I believe is a size 7. I did wear them like twice, but there's nothing wrong with them. The only thing is like my feet are too wide, so this part will hurt so bad if you have wide feet, but otherwise they're super cute. I like how they're thick, so they're comfy, like they don't make your feet hurt from being so flat. So this is something that I would sell as well. They're from Zara, really good material, really good quality. Next thing I need to tackle is everything on top of this dresser. I did want to show you guys this one two-piece outfit that I plan to sell. I've never worn this. I've brought it many places because I thought I was gonna wear it and I just never did, but it's super cute. I'm gonna take it off the hanger so you guys can see what it looks like. These are the pants. They're like linen pants, so they're really thin. This is such a pretty like periwinkle color and super comfy like outfit. And then this is the top, which is like a little crop top. Looks really big, but they're both in a size small. Well, the whole set is a size small. So it's a little crop top that cinches right here, and then these strings make it look a little sexy or whatever because you can tie them around your waist. So yeah, something else that I really want to sell rather than just give it away. But anyway, I forgot that I had these little drawer organizers. These are also from IKEA, and if you guys are interested in the dresser and the organizers that I got, I'll have them linked down below. But I'm going to open these up and use these to like organize all of my like underwear, swimsuits, socks, and like little stuff. So I got 2 of them, and I think they come with 6 different size containers, so that should be really helpful. Oh, okay, that's cool. So this is what they look like, and then you just zip them closed. So like this. Wow, that is why my other dresser was broken, because I don't know how to do things gently. Okay. Okay guys, for this drawer I'm going to be putting all of my swimsuits because I feel like I kind of have a lot, even though I don't even live somewhere where like I can use them all the time. But I've also been watching this girl called, I believe her name's Stephanie, but her YouTube channel is called O.Stephco. Anyway, I don't know if you guys can actually see that, but her YouTube channel is called O' and then Steph Co. She talks about like things that need to be talked about, and I love how her videos are super long. I always listen to them when I'm driving back and forth from like PA or like going on long drives. But let me get back to organizing my stuff. These are another pair of pants I want to get rid of. These are from Zara. They fit so nice, but this was like one of those things you kind of wear one time and you don't really think you're gonna wear them again. That's literally me. I bought these for vacation. I wore them. I love them. Now I want to get rid of them. Okay, I cleared this dresser besides the stuff that I'm going to sell or give away here in the corner. Now we're going to move on to this side of my closet and start organizing that. So on the bottom I have like my work clothes, and then in this corner is like all my coats and like bulky sweaters and stuff. And then up top it's like my summer clothes, like dainty stuff, like smaller items I guess. And then like long sleeves, and then sweaters and hoodies and all that stuff. But I'm gonna try to color coordinate or color like order everything. We'll see how that goes though. I have these little shelves here that I want to put on top of the dresser. That was my idea because I have nowhere else to put them, and I don't want to put them on this side of the wall because I feel like it'll kind of clutter up the walking area of the closet. So we're gonna see how that looks on top of the dresser. You guys, and these are actually another item that I want to sell. These are the New Balance. I think they're like 360s. These are like brand new. They are kind of dirty because I wore them one time to go to an amusement park. Like honestly, I feel like a wet cloth might be able to take off some of this dirt right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put these up for sale. Size 5.5 in kids, I believe. Let me see. So they are a size 5. Okay. So this is one of the boxes that I've had in my living room. This also has a bunch of shoes in it that I probably could get rid of because I don't think, like, I have 3 boxes in the living room that I have not touched since I moved in here. So I'm like, okay, I haven't even needed any of this stuff. Why do I need to keep 3 full boxes of things that I haven't even touched in 3 months? It is 4 hours later. I finally finished cleaning out my closet. It literally feels like a stress reliever because that closet has been looking like that for at least 2 months. Like, that's very sad, and we will work on this room next. One thing at a time, but I literally am just happy that I checked that off the list. We can move on, and I just feel good. But I ended up having 2 full bags of trash, basically like dingy old clothes that would never sell or would be worth giving away. And then I did add to that box of clothes that I do want to sell / give away. It's actually like overflowing, so I have to figure out a way to take some like decent photos of everything so that I can sell it. But let me show you guys what my closet's looking like. And for the dramatics, it's clean. Nothing's on the floor. I love that. I love a clean, clear floor. But yeah, everything is nice and organized. I just feel so good. Like, it literally feels so refreshing to walk in here. But I ended up just putting random shit down there. This is like my towel racks. I'll have to add my other towels here. I have my bags up here, organized. I love this little purse right here. This is my favorite bag ever, and I barely use it, but it's so cute and it's so pretty. And go support Brandon Blackwood. Okay, this is what the rest of my closet is looking like. I ended up trying to organize everything by colors, but I really don't even have a lot of each color. So anyway, this is like my summer clothing, like smaller, lighter kind of clothing. And this is my fall winter clothing. As you guys can see, it's looking like I might have to do some fall shopping soon because I don't have a lot. I think I got rid of a lot of this kind of stuff earlier in the year, and now I have more of this. Obviously the seasons changed, but maybe I'll do a little shopping haul soon. Maybe not, I don't know. I ended up leaving the shoes up here. I think this looks perfectly fine, and just I have extra boxes of my like big boots I stuffed in those boxes, so it looks more neat. I don't know what to do with this. This is probably gonna end up moving. I just don't know where, but I don't like having it here because it obstructs the openness of this room. But I did fill these drawers. Everything is nice and organized, and yeah, I'm just really happy with the way this turned out. So yeah, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you do enjoy these kind of videos because I have a lot of other things that need to be decluttered and organized in this apartment. And of course, I would film that if you guys are interested. But also let me know what would be the best way to try to sell my clothes. Do you guys prefer like Poshmark, or do you actually just like to do it through direct DM? You know, like on Instagram, I know people sell their clothes like on their stories and stuff. I don't know. I've never sold anything through Instagram. I feel like that might be a little bit more complicated when it comes to actually shipping things out and like the cost of it basically. But I don't know. Let me know what you think is the best way to try and sell my clothing. But yeah, that is going to be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.